Hi! So this video is gonna be totally different. It's super unconventional, but I feel like it has a lot of meaning, so I want to share it with you guys. I filmed 4 videos this week, but I'm not satisfied with any of them, so they are not going to go up. This is the most real and raw video that I have ever made, and you know what? I'm just gonna upload it because it has a lot of, I guess, value to it. Basically, the past week, my eyes have been... You know what, when I think about it, it's not even like 1 week lang. It's been going on for like 2 weeks or more na. So basically, the past few weeks, I've been experiencing some like weird thing near like on my under eye area. Basically, it feels like parang napakainit ng mata ko. And they always feel so tired. And at first I thought it was because kulang ako sa tulog. So I've been getting a lot of sleep lately, but it's not that. And then I also thought that it's maybe because I've been using the computer a lot as well. So napapagod siya or nadadry. But it's also not that because I have eye drops and I wear my glasses when I'm editing. So it was only now that I realized that maybe the reason why my eyes have been like this is because expired na pala yung eye cream and mascara na ginagamit ko. I just want to show you guys what made me realize that it was the eye cream and the mascara, because this is a video that I filmed earlier this week. So as you guys can see in the first clip, my eyes are okay, and then on the second clip with the eye cream, ayan, nag-start na siyang mamaga. I'm not going to say the brands of the products that I'm using because it is my fault. I used it like way beyond the expiry date, and the reason for that is because I typically hoard makeup. It's only now that I'm starting to throw away things that I don't use anymore, and I've failed to see na matagal na palang expired tong mga to. I keep telling my family and friends that my eyes have never looked like this before, and now I know why. So I really encourage you guys to check the label of your makeup products and skincare items, because you should never use it beyond its expiry date, especially if it's a product that's for the eyes, because it will accumulate bacteria and you might get an eye infection. I've learned my lesson, and now I started writing the start date of each product that I buy. So like this one, this is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I bought this last August 4. So I put it on the box para naaalala ko when I started, and I can count the months that it can be used. It's so difficult sometimes to throw away makeup items, especially if they're expensive. Kahit na expired siya, I'm sure I'm not the only one. I have friends who are like this as well, because we all have the same sentiment na parang ang hirap pakawalan, lalo nang mahal yung bagay, even though hindi mo naman ginagamit. But you know, if it's expired, kahit feeling mo na pwede pa, just throw it away because it might do more harm than good. This is also another lesson for me because I'm trying to really change my lifestyle. I don't want to keep hoarding makeup items anymore. I just want to start buying stuff that I need. So yeah, I hope you guys can check the expiration date of some of your makeup items. And I hope that this doesn't happen to you guys as well. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Bye!